How to change keyboard color on laptop. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Changing the keyboard color on laptop depends on whether your device has a backlit keyboard, multicolor capabilities, and the specific brand or model. Not all laptops support color changes. The first thing you want to do is confirm your laptop has RGB backlighting. Common brands with RGB keyboards are Razer, Dell, HP Omen, MSI, and Lenovo Legion. If your laptop has RGB backlighting, you want to try keyboard shortcuts. The generic shortcut is press FN plus a key with light bulb or keyboard icon. For example, in Dell, you want to press FN plus C. If the shortcuts don't work, you want to use the manufacturer's software. For example, if your laptop is MSI, you can configure lighting via MSI Center. For this, open MSI Center, click Utility, then go to Mystic Light. Select the keyboard and you can adjust the lighting effect in the section. Click Customize to customize the lighting settings. After you have adjusted the color and speed, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.